Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Master Gamer. Today I am showing you how to flash Miui Android 10 which is ported by Wiki. Presently I am in the Miui 12 Android 9 version which is ported by the Wiki. You are seeing here it's Android, it's Miui 12. I am showing you that my phone specifications. Go to all specs. It is Asus Zenfone Max Prime 4GB RAM and it is running on Android 9. Okay, I need Android 10. That's why I'm installing the Android 10 of MIO, which is the best ROM for gaming. With I have the kernel of Coros Max. Let's get started to flash. In this ROM, it has recovery boot mode. I'm going to recovery. It will take some more time to get into recovery. Here we are in the team win recovery mode. Let's get started. Before you going to flash, you must take backup. I'm going to back and take up all the partitions except cache for the backup. If you don't have that much memory to backup, this is the most important ones to get backup. Then swipe to backup. It will okay. After that we will go to wipe cache dialog data system and vendor. After that we will go to swipe to wipe. It will complete the process of wiping. Then we will go back to install our ROM. Go to install and search for the ROM and search for the space where we had kept the ROM. I kept it on UC downloads. Here you can see the MIA mix and 20.5 which is ported by Vilte. It will take much more time to flash. Approximately it will take 5 to 6 minutes. I had fast forwarded it. Here it is, the process is completed. I'm going to wipe cache and swipe right to confirm. It's wiped. I need a native video calling support on this ROM. That's why I'm going to flash the native video calling support patch, which is Vilte patch. It was stored on my internal memory. I'm searching for it. Here it is, Vilte patch. I'm flashing the Vilte patch. And I also need root to my device. That's why I will flash Magisk in the next. If you don't want to need root, you don't need to patch the Magisks. I just wipe the cache and I am patching the Magisk module. I'm wiping the cache and then I'm going to reboot system. Do not install the TWRP recovery app in my phone. I had clicked on do not install button because I don't want to have the TWRP app in my room. Here is the most important thing, that is, don't make power off or don't touch any buttons in flashing time. This time it will take more than 20 to 30 minutes and it will reboot more than 2 to 3 4 times, or it will reboot one time. Don't touch any buttons. If you touch, it will get break. So be careful. I'm fast forwarding the video for your convenience. Don't touch any buttons. Please keep it away and until it turns on. Don't touch any buttons. It will take nearly 20 to 30 minutes. Careful, don't touch any buttons. Once again, I'm repeating, don't touch any buttons. Please leave it until it gets started. Nearly it will take 20 to 30 minutes. Because I have fast forwarded the video for your convenience. The video will be in 12 minutes, but the room flashing will be nearly takes to 30 minutes. Don't get panic. Here it is. It is started the mobile, and I'm skipping everything to complete this process as fast as possible. It is the just setup of mobile. You can customize here whatever settings you want to have. I had just skipped everything. Skip this also. If you want to have, you may have them in my account. There is no problem here with the MI account. Here it is, all as completed. I'm getting the theme. I'm selected full screen over. It had showed the tutorial for it. Now the flashing has completed. Let's go to install. Let's go and install you and enjoy the room. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Here's the setup has completed. Here it is, our MI phone with Android 10. I will show you with Android 10 or not. My device, all specs. It is Android 12. Sorry, it's Android 10 and with MIUI 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This is my first video, so please don't panic. I mean that don't get irritation. I have not that much well equipment, so please subscribe. Thank you.